channel. My name is Meghna Menon, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. After a while, it's finally Shein haul time. It's been a hot minute since I've posted a Shein haul, and I'm very glad because after 3 months my parcel is finally come. Few of these products are of my friends, and if you are wondering why the sizes are really big, you have the answer. So yeah, without much blabbering, let's just get into the video. So the first product is this. If you can notice, it is a full hands t-shirt slash top. It has this nice material, but it is kind of see-through, and it has this band on one side with a cold shoulder, and then it continues with a sleeve. So that was the first product. Also, if you're wondering, these also are from Shein, these vines. I just wanted to try them and I really like them, so I will go ahead and order a few more of those because these look really good. So yeah. Second one is another black piece. It is this mesh top with these polka dots, and yeah, these look really good, especially if you want to dress up but you don't want to show a lot of skin. This is perfecto. The next one is one of my favorites. It is this t-shirt with this neck, like a turtleneck sort of thing, but the print on this t-shirt, it is like a comic print, and it is in this black color with white comic with a hint of yellow and pink in between. I love this top. You can dress it up in so many ways. This is awesome. The next is this beautiful grey full hands top with this asymmetrical border. This is a super thick cloth. Like, this will keep you warm in South Indian winters. Yeah, I had to specify that. So it has this zip at the back. It is very body hugging. It looks very good. It looks very professional-ish kind of, and I really love the color as well. The next is this off-shoulder top, and in this colorful color. It has blue, black, white and red, and this is really nice for like summertime, and it is not very loose, so it will stay on your body. So yeah. So all my beautiful curvy women out there, if you're looking for some hauls or for some clothes for the plus size, I have few products from the plus size zone, so I've got you. So this is the first one. It is this glitter full hands dress. It is of a great quality. It is kind of see-through, but I think it will be fine once you wear something inside. It is not very thick. It has a lining inside for the bottom part of it. The glitter is not stitched on. It is the cloth, so it thankfully won't fall off. But this is the dress, and it will look really pretty for an office party where you want to look dressed up but not too much. The next top is one of my favorites, and it is this. It is this polka and mesh hand slash neck top. It looks really beautiful. I really liked it. I like the fit of it. It can be worn for some important event at your office, and I think it's really beautiful. The cloth is really nice. The next is a t-shirt. It is this boxy kind of t-shirt with these red hearts on the white t-shirt. It is very summer appropriate, very chill vibes. You can dress it up or dress it down, just tie a knot or whatever, but it's very basic and cool, good quality. The next product for my plus size girls is this. It is another dress, and again in glitter. It is a full hands. I am very confused why my best friend is buying so many similar kind of clothing, but I think she's got so much cash. It is this straight fit dress, full hands again. It has these lines of glitter. It is a velvet cloth. The cloth is very soft. It is kind of long, not very short. It also has a zipper at the back, and it is again very appropriate for formal events. The next is this top. It is a beautiful dusty pink, I guess, or a pink color velvet top with these lines. It is a full hands and I love the color, I love the fit of it. It looks really flattering. So far we have no downsides from any of the clothing that we've tried, and that is awesome on Shein's side. Shein's doing a good job. If you guys remember the black mesh top that I showed you previously, this is the same thing just in a different color. It is a white mesh top with polka dots. This is very beautiful. The cloth is very soft, so it is not itchy. And yeah, if you guys are planning on buying a mesh top, I would recommend this because it is so soft and it will not harm or hurt your skin or bruise through it. The next is this beautiful blazer slash jacket. It has these padding at the shoulders, so it keeps the fit of it. It makes it look more formal, and it is white and it has this waterfall front design. It has a zip in the side with this circle, if you can see it. Yeah, it's very beautiful. The next is this crazy pair of pants. It is in an orange color. If you guys have seen these pants, these utility pants are in trend right now, so I thought I'd try them. The quality is literally that of a raincoat. Like, this literally is like a raincoat pant. If you wear this in the rain, at least you'll be safe. That is one use of it. I don't think you can really wear this outside as such. For photo shoots, yeah, definitely it will look nice. For dance shoots, definitely it will look good. But like on a actual legit basis, wearing this out to go somewhere, I would not recommend that. It has this buckle in front for a belt, which looks like that of olden school bags. So yeah, that's that. This another dress is that of my friends as well, and because I'm very short to be wearing such clothes, guys. It is this beautiful long length flowy gown with these noodle straps and this V-neck in the front. It also has a slit over here which looks really gorgeous. This is in this blue, royal blue color. We'll try wearing it on, but it's not gonna fit me. But the quality is nice. It's not very soft, but it is not itchy, so that is a good thing. Hey guys, this is the future Meghna, I guess. So this is like 5 to 6 days after I shot my previous clip. I was waiting for a few more parcels to be delivered so I can add them to this haul and post it at a go. But during this time something drastic happened, and that is Shein got banned in India. So the Indian government decided to ban Shein along with a lot of other Chinese apps because of the whole situation that's going on, and I'm pretty sure a lot of Indian girls are upset about it because I know it hurt a lot more than a few of your breakups, but it is what it is. Let's just deal with it rather than being pressed about it, because it was eventually done for our betterment. So that being said, I am going to, however, soon come up with a video showing you all some Shein alternatives. It's not going to be basic stuff, and it is also obviously not going to match Shein 100% because Shein was the place for everyone, but I will try my best to get that content out very soon, so be ready for that. And till then, enjoy the last of my Shein products, because I think this is going to be the last Shein haul for a really long time, or forever, that is. So one of the things I got was this is a beautiful blue color jumper or a sweatshirt. It is in this really thick material. I don't know what material this is, but it is not ribbed exactly, but yeah, something like that. It is a little bulky for me, which is really great, and this is such a beautiful baby blue color, and I really love this, and I'm so glad this is arrived and it was not cancelled. So yeah, the next product is again in this beautiful color. So I thought this was going to be a baby pink color, but it turned out to be a lavender color, but nevertheless it's a beautiful color. It is this body hugging camisole dress. Like, it has a camisole neck and those bands. It's body hugging, and it has a small, like a V cut at the end of it here in this lavender color. Beautiful dress. I love this. It's so simple and you can style it in so many ways, and I'm glad I called this one. This I called in an S size and this fits me really well, and yeah, I'm excited to try it out. I'm glad I got some dresses from there because I hardly buy dresses as such. So this is another bodycon dress, and it is also in a cami kind of form. I'm really obsessed with like camisole dresses these days because you can dress them up and down in so many ways, and I will probably make a video soon. But yeah, this is in a black and white print, and this also fits me very well. I know they say not to buy like stripes that are growing cross because it could make you look chubby or fat, but I'm okay with it, and I really like this one actually. The next one I got is a little big for me. I might have to go and get it tailored once the lockdown gets a little better, but it is this beautiful reddish slash maroon color dress. It is in this glitter dress, and you can see it's kind of see-through. But if you wear something inside, I think you will be fine. It has this glitter stitched onto this. It is a rough material, it's not really soft, but it has a lining inside, so I think you will be fine. And it has a deep V-neck and a crisscross back, like you can see, and this will look so beautiful for any cocktail party or any party which we are not going to be attending this year for sure, but you can have a cocktail party at home for sure, no problem. You can wear this there. And the last product I want to show you, which I will not be trying out because I'm just petty that way, is this beautiful dress. It is in this champagne slash rose gold color, and it has this what do you call this? It has the sequins work done all over it. It is a beautiful gorgeous color. Again, it has these noodle straps. It has like a crisscross neck. It's not very deep. It has a little like tugging on the left side, which makes it body fitting, but it is not that body fitting because the end is again a little like it can fit around your waist. It's not going to like squeeze you in, and it has like a cut over here which this part goes down, and this I called very soon when we heard the news of Shein getting banned, and I had a feeling that it was going to get banned for real this time. This was the first thing I picked out because I wanted this to be my birthday dress, and like I told you, I'm petty that way, so I'm not going to be wearing it right now. I think this is a little big for me. I'll have to hem it down, and yeah, it is my 25th birthday, so I am allowed to wear sequins even if I'm just going to stay home, okay? So yeah, this is the last piece of clothing that I got from Shein, and technically that's the last clothing that I will ever get from Shein because Shein is done, and I don't think it's going to come back. If it does, I don't think anyone will be as happy as Indian girls, but I doubt it will come back. So with that, I think we're bidding Shein goodbye. With that, thank you Shein for being so close to our heart. We love you, and yeah, don't worry guys, I will make a video soon for some alternatives for shopping where you can find clothes similar. I'm telling you, we are not going to find anything as close as Shein because it was super cheap and super trendy, but I will try doing my best to find such sites and post a video with all the sites that you can try out. So wait for that video. Until then, if you like the video, give it a like button, share it with your friends who miss Shein now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.